The top stories. Financial assistance for family of deceased scribes will be raised to 5 lakh rupees from 2 lakh, assures Information and Public Relations Minister. Manipur Assembly passes over 484 crore rupees for 7 different demands. BJP leader Nalin Kohli flags off Bijay Sankalp bike rally in Manipur. And King Leisemba Sanajauba bats for origin of Meitei Pangal. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Khongban giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur Information and Public Relations IPR Minister T.H. Biswajit today informed the House that the state government is making efforts to increase the present financial assistance given to a journalist upon his death to rupees 5 lakh from rupees 2 lakh. Congress legislator Suraj Kumar Okram during question hour raised a query on the government-sponsored welfare program for the state scribes. To this query, Biswajit further mentioned that there is a corpus fund of rupees 10 crore meant for providing financial assistance to journalists. He said that journalists are benefited in 2 ways, pension scheme and welfare scheme. Under corpus fund, under the pension schemes, rupees 10,000 is given and rupees 5,000 under the family scheme. The minister also said financial aid of rupees 1 lakh is provided to journalists in case of any critical injuries during on duty and rupees 50,000 to those who receive minor injuries. Biswajit also informed the House that the government has a plan to set up a praise park for which land has been selected at Revenue Village number 104 in Langjing, Achoba. The Manipur Assembly today passed more than 484 crore rupees for 7 different demands. Earlier, the Finance in charge and Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar presented the 7 demands to get them passed in the House. Demand number 15, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Demand number 22, Public Health Engineering. Demand number 37, Fisheries. Demand number 41, Arts and Culture. Demand number 42, State Academy of Training. Demand number 48, Relief and Disaster Management. And demand number 49, Economics and Statistics were presented. Opposition MLAs K. Ranjit, Muhammad Fazil Rahim, Muhammad Abdul Nazir, R. K. Imo, O. Henry, A. K. Mirabai, T. H. Lokeshwar, K. Meghachandra, O. Surja Kumar, Dr. Chartolian Amo and P. Brozen raised a policy cut motion on demands number 15, 22, 37, 41, 48 and 49. During question hour in the House today, Commerce and Industries Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh, while responding to a question from MLA O. Henry, said that Mudra scheme was launched in Manipur on April 8, 2015 and that the current number of beneficiaries under this scheme is 1,42,875 and rupees 707.85 has been released by as of now. Bijay Sankalp bike rally was flagged off by BJP national spokesperson and Manipur election in charge Nalin Kohli and Manipur BJP president and MP KSH Bhabananda from Hapta Kangjibung, Imphal. Organized by BJP Manipur Pradesh Youth Wing, the rally aims at showing respect and commendation to the slew of policies and programs taken up in the country for the welfare of the people under the strict leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Over 1,000 motorcyclists took part in the rally. On the occasion, Nalin Kohli stated that the rally carries the message that the youth of the region will continue to extend their support to the welfare policies of the BJP-led NDA government at the center headed by Modi. He was hopeful that more obvious changes can be brought in the country if the BJP retains power after the 2019 Lok Sabha polls.
Carrying the message of Namo again, the message that the youth of India votes for Narendra Modi and his government of Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, a government that protects India, of Indian citizens to suffer, will respond back when the terrorists come on us, or a government that will ensure development for all, employment, opportunity.
A two-day international conference on Manipuri Muslim past, present and future today kick-started at Sangai Hall of Imphal Hotel North AOC. Organized by All Manipur Muslim Meitei Pangal, the conference has an objective to preserve and protect the identity of Meitei Pangal by uniting all Meitei Pangal people residing in different parts of India and other countries. At the inaugural event, Titular King of Manipur Leisemba Sanajauba honored Meitei Pangals coming from outside and presented simple gifts to them. Delivering a speech during the function, Leisemba Sanajauba, who was the chief guest, assured that he would make efforts to include history of origin of Meitei Pangal in the curriculum so that it can be taught in the next academic session of Manipur. The titular king observed that indigenous people of the state seem to have forgotten their age-old bond and history, which contributes to loss of love among the groups.
Machine tai aikoigi lamdam se ningthau palamaga su yamna liberal oiba yamna democratic oiba punam koi kai khono du lamdam oiramni haibase koi tai adu mase aikoi hujik anogo mirol su masi khangbo masang adu anogo mirol singsida kai guma matam da masi gumbai koigi puari koi masak singse walak panina community ai hunna pa ngangna pa social media su mayam biramani ko kai su na da ba su hunna ngano adu masi I should not tell the higher one massage and labor Kayaba, labor the communal Tokoyaba. I'm not going to pound the Tomyam Tokoya, we put them Yahweh. But it's extending I know. And on my singing Madam Dicanoda, Sida, a quick Meitei Pangal, hiding a city, Hajar Suina. Meitei Pangals in the whole pumps in Japan, I could school Sinsida. Masikaramina Laki, Karitogi Makoji Kanano, Karamino Havase. I could know Miro Simas, school is Celebesta, Hapaga. Masi aikogi tambiragadi aikogi kahani apaga thajana ba de amaga hunna ba ngangna ba aduga kaino khangda tolmi ase phana yana masi ai muthatkani khanje.
He underlined the need to preserve and protect the unique identity of Meitei Pangal in this age of rapidly developing world.
Soijaina na ta hraba Meitei Pangal si Tripura do obayai Assam do obayai adagi Bangladesh do obayai Ipan Myanmar manung do ibisuyai ate do ibisuyai masi ai koi hojik si punsan bagi aduga punsan badana tana ai koi gi saktam Meitei Pangal lamu ibigi saktam se mangdana se ai koi kari thabak lokhasige habase ai masi ma yam kanna ma trust do jani.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Panthoibi embroidery da hauzik miyamna yamna pamna riba top blouse fanek sengau Porloy amadi kangkhal na chingba luhongbada changba khudingmak amadi nupi oibi singi akemogi potlam khudingmak ahongba mamalda fangbiragani loinana order su luxury lengsin biro ngasimak Panthoibi embroidery Sagolban Khamnam Bazar opposite Oriental College Imphal. Contact number 700-540-2267.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw logi ngasi muglengchin biroksi mobile furniture Coacatel near Imphal College.
Lamjingba Group na Manipur da lairiba Assembly Constituency Humpudagi Mathauda Pukning Changba Public Relationship Executive Post ki miyoi amamam lagzagadori mahigi thak yamdrabada graduation oigedabani akupa marol gidama contact tobiro at 131944063 amukasu at 131944063 aikhoigi address Lamjingba Group Rims Road Imphal phone number at 131944063.
Welcome back after the break. A power transformer inside the campus of Manipur Institute of Technology caught fire today, but a team of Manipur Fire Service managed to douse the fire on time. The cause of the fire was not known. A major fire destroyed a storeroom located on the top of a building at Nagamapal Kangzabilayrak in Imphal West this morning at around 11:40. A report said that the storeroom belongs to former MLA Mainam Bhorot. The fire tenders arrived at the site on time and managed to put the blaze under control before spreading to adjacent houses. The fire engulfed a large number of books kept inside the room, and it is believed that the fire was caused by an electric short circuit. An unpublished autobiography of former MLA Mainam Bhorot titled Lamboiba and a script of a novel called Ekadasida Brata, besides 150 copies of a book series called Madhav and a few books on history of BJP and some other books belonging to Bhorot's brother were also burned to ashes during the fire. Even though the District Commissioner of Thoubal recently issued a notice for providing financial aid to individuals whose crops were badly affected during the 2015 flood, any of the flood victim has received it till date. According to Yenkokpam Tomcho from Thoubal Khikman, during a press meet at Press Club, he also claimed that the list of beneficiaries sought through RTI reveals that 90% of them were not genuinely affected by the flood. He drew the attention of the concerned government department to look into the matter.
Aduna, aikoina Thoban DC dagina Lilongi yes dio bahog the mangiba aikoi lupak aikoi gi lak humdraga mathoi lising traum de chatruk amane aduga lupa lau sigibagi lupak crore ahunga lak ani lising yangkai sahunga sumna taruk sine masigi paisa je aikoi gi mari leina ba aikoi authority na natra government na koi gi phagat piraga aikoi gi maral leramba mido dandi pibiu aduga asengo beneficiary singji dai dai aikoi gi phangan biu se na aikoi appeals.
One-day hands-on training program on trichoderma mass production organized by Department of Plant Pathology CAU Iroisemba was held at Laimaram in Bishnupur district today. The training program was funded by DST Government of India. The training was held with an objective of mass production of native trichoderma with locally available agricultural waste or substrates and its promotion among the vegetables growers of Manipur. A district-level wall painting competition under the theme Inclusive and Accessible Election was organized by District Election Officer, Deputy Commissioner Imphal at the gate of DC office. Speaking about the painting competition, DC of Imphal West, Naurem Praveen, said that the competition is being held in connection with the upcoming Lok Sabha election for ensuring a free and fair election.
This is the beginning. I think then house it. Sida DC office la use no mada laiba keno si music listing amani. La ko sida wall ekoi na masi mafam se yamna khanje bagi maram di. Sida lak pa mi mo kai sinanga sagi sida yami ba team sida yami ba makal ge paintings me am su urakan sida mo da thamoi da de phorok pa hangraga keno laikai da magi mamanab sim da tamu ba maduna mathang awareness and awareness. Sigi ngasa ko na pamjari ba commission ki wakalon lai ba inclusive and accessible election hai se masigi kano si mayam da mayam wakalon da tagi doin hai.
Capping, lamp lighting and oath-taking ceremony of first-year students of JNIMS belonging to the 4th batch of Lyric Institute of Nursing at Sangaipur was held at the auditorium of the institute today. Joint Director of Medical Directorate Dr. H. Babychand Devi, Director of R.K. Sanatomi Vidyalaya Pangai T. Asha, Superintendent of Nursing JNIMS P. Landhoni attended the event as the main guest. As a part of preventive measures taken up by the State Police, a combined team of Manipur Police Commando and City Police conducted search operation this morning at Mezorkul, Imphal. This search started from 8 a.m. and carried out till 8:50 a.m. A total of 471 persons were verified and 10 individuals who did not have proper documents were handed over to the City Police for further verification. With a vision to provide up-to-date methods of learning to students under the Military Civic Action Program, an initiative taken up by OP Sanbhavana 6 Assam Rifles, Alpha Company of 9 Sector Assam Rifles distributed 4 computer sets to government schools at Nongpok Kaithelmanbi at a simple function held at the Ima Thumkong Lairembi Community Hall of Nongpok Kaithelmanbi. At the event, Commandant Colonel A.K. Das of 6 Assam Rifles said that it is lucky that Assam Rifles is getting the opportunity to extend whatever support they could do for the students who are also the future pillars of the nation.
When we got the request to install personal computers in the Kaithelmanbi Primary School, we took up this case as part of the Ops Sadbhavna. And today we are very happy that we have been able to install 4 PCs in the computer laboratory in the school. And as you all are aware that the future of education lies in learning computers. So here we wish all of you a very fruitful and gainful benefit from the installed computers here, and we are very hopeful that the computer education that will be imparted to you will enable you to face all the challenges in life and prosper in your careers. Thank you and all the best.
Under the supervision of IGAR South, the 9th Sector Assam Rifle Battalion in Manipur paid a visit to Carmel Jyoti Children Home at Luang Sangbam and met the children who are residing at the home. Apart from motivating and encouraging the children, the Assam Rifle personnel praised on the noble work and contributions done by Carmel Jyoti Children Home. Let's take a short break once again.
The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Manipur Kundariba, Maitai Mitai Kagnatana, Atai Yellow Furupunamak, Scheduled Tribe list the Yahonduna Lakli. Makoina Kundariba Mapam Singda, Scheduled Tribe Nataba, Mio Singna, Kundaba Natraka Port Lepa Yadi Ibagi, Akan Manga Law Constitution Appeal. Maitai Mitai Singna Namna Kundariba, Tampaki Amba Sarukti, Sambal Kadaba Inkol Gumbani, Mitop Singna Kunda Silakpa, Lamgi Mapush Lakpamadi, MLA for Bush Laklabani, Punama Sibutingonaba, quite in the note to Payaballambidi, Maitai Mitaina, Scheduled Tribe list the Yahu vibes. Hari wo famous the Yumpamuraga, Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee na, Nasi Fobada, Kongjang Kasang Chendunolagi. Bharat ki Ministry of Tribal Affairs na, Manipur Lengakta, recommendation Taranaba, Kangala Palekre. High river recommendation adu, Tabiu, High Taxilla Duna, Hoki Basahi, 2016 gi, September gi Tang Tarani Panda, Miyam gi Oba, Asoba, Wakat Kongset Ama, Mioi Lak, Amagamakai Manasaki. Manipur Lengang Nasi Powder. Mitai Fruki, Hing Bachamui Matanga, Tumina Leslie. Maramaduna, Amukana Miami, Achoba Kongsatama, Laklevo Marski Tarik Home, no Majin Numit, Ayuki Puntara Taba, Matamda, Miam Punna Tau Brown, Tamai Bandagi Horaga, Miami Achoba, Pen the Bagi Kongsatama, Konung Lampak Powers Kadori. I call you Frukitungi, Mirolgidamak, Adomsu, Wakat Kongsat Sida Surgiabi.
Welcome back. India will keep up the pressure on Pakistan to crack down on terrorism infrastructure and the masterminds of terrorist attacks despite the release of Wing Commander Abhinandan Vardhaman following back-channel diplomacy and public messaging by global powers. The government will persist as Islamabad shows no signs of dismantling terror infrastructure and acting against operatives such as Jaiz-e Mohammed JEM Chief Masood Azhar. The Pakistan-based JEM has claimed responsibility for the February 14 terrorist attack in Kashmir that sparked the current tensions at the border. India's tough line is evident from the fact that Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan tried to speak to counterpart Narendra Modi tries to inform him about the decision to release the Indian Air Force pilot but was rebuffed according to sources. Pakistan's efforts to link the release with the escalation of tension has not gone down well with New Delhi. The Modi government wants Khan to walk to the talk on investigating the February 14 Pulwama attack and crackdown on terror infrastructure. A day after admitting that Jaiz-e Mohammed Chief Masood Azhar is in Pakistan, the country's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi made another startling admission that Islamabad government has been in touch with the banned terror outfit. Qureshi divulged this during an interview with the BBC after he was praised about why Pakistan has failed to take any action against JEM despite it claiming responsibility for the Pulwama terror attack, in which 40 CRPF Jawans were killed. The Pakistan Foreign Minister claimed that JEM had not said it was behind the terror attack and that there was confusion over its role. This despite the JEM claiming responsibility through a statement issued by its spokesperson. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. India cheers return of Indian Air Force pilot Vertaman. Bike rally held ahead of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur March. Poll schedule likely by March 10th. The People's Chronicle. 7th Central Pay Commission for state employees from April 2020. No shortage of sterilized clothes at JNIMS, says Chief Minister. Madhav meets Northeast leaders to review poll preparedness. Royal Riders rallies in support of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur rally. Chinese hand behind recent unrest in Northeast. Imphal Free Press. House fails to bring unanimous decision on CAB. Co-accused of JNV Mao sexual assault case yet to be arrested, seeks bail. Man opens fire at RIMS, bystander injured. Cease work strike, call off. The Morning Bell. Railway to connect capitals of all Northeast states by 2020. IMPCC meeting of Assam chapter held in Guwahati. Indian Air Force Wing Commander Abhinandan Vertaman returns home amid relief. Cheers. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur all geared up for Sunday mass rally. IGAR South pays homage to Major Bob Khathing. Manipur Mail. JNIMS has adequate infrastructure, CM informs House. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee threatens to boycott political parties.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Financial assistance for family of deceased scribes will be raised to 5 lakh rupees from 2 lakh, assures Information and Public Relations Minister. Manipur Assembly passes over 484 crore rupees for 7 different demands. BJP leader Nalin Kauli flags off Bijay Sankalp bike rally in Manipur. And King Laisemba Sanajauba bats for origin of Meitei Pangal. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.